Tired of chasing down payments and drowning in paperwork? Let's transform your Smma finances with Stripe, the powerhouse payment platform that will revolutionize how you handle client payments. This 90-second guide will equip you with the knowledge you need to streamline your billing processes, automate recurring subscriptions, and effortlessly manage invoices. First, head over to Stripe.com and create your account. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts, ensuring you have your business details and bank account information handy for verification. Once you're in, define your Smma services as products within Stripe. This could be social media management packages, content creation bundles, or advertising campaign setups. Clearly outline the pricing for each to avoid any client confusion later. Next, let's tackle recurring subscriptions for ongoing services. Set up subscription plans with automated billing cycles. Specify the billing frequency, such as monthly or quarterly, and Stripe will handle the rest, automatically charging your clients and sending invoices. Need to send an on-off invoice? Stripe makes it incredibly easy. Input the client's details, add the service provided, and customize the invoice with your Smma's branding. You can then send it directly through Stripe, allowing clients to pay online with just a few clicks. To simplify the payment process further, create payment links. These are shareable URLs that you can embed in emails or contracts, allowing clients to pay directly without needing an invoice. Perfect for quick payments or custom projects. Finally, leverage Stripe's reporting and analytics dashboard to track your income, monitor subscription performance, and gain valuable insights into your Smma's financial health. This data-driven approach will empower you to make informed decisions and optimize your pricing strategies. So, ditch the payment headaches and embrace the power of Stripe. With its robust features and user-friendly interface, you'll be well on your way to financial efficiency and increased profitability for your Smma.